Got our Grayco Snugrider Elite. We're going to put it together. First thing we're going to do is take it out of the box, and it doesn't say to do so in the directions, but I think I'm just going to pull here and pull here. Just kind of open it up to make it easier to work on. And then we got this piece here. I'm just going to drop it down like so. And then there's this little piece right here. We'll go in there. And then this little piece right here goes in there. So now we've got this piece. We're just going to stick it in here. Oops. There's little deals you can push here. Be careful not to pinch your fingers. And then the snaps go on. So now we're going to flip it over onto its side. Grab our wheels. Going to make sure I got my brakes to the back. Shove them in here, like so. And we'll do the front wheels. And we're all done. So then if we want to fold it up, do the thumb up here, do the thumb here, pull this, and then it just folds up. There we go. If you want to apply the brakes, just step there, to release it, or just pop this up.